Hello everyone, I'm Pratik Srivastav, an Indian classical musician based in Kolkata, and I play a beautiful instrument called the sarod, which you will see at the end of this video when I play a short piece of music for all of you. Presently, we all are going through an extremely difficult time. This is a phase which looks so unreal because we have never imagined to see a time when the entire world will come to a standstill. But we won't give up. We are staying at home and working hard, trying to bring out the best of us from within in our own capacities. There is a lot of uncertainty in our professional lives. Me as a musician, I don't know when I'm going to perform on stage next. But while I'm at home, I'm trying to invest a lot of time in practicing, composing, collaborating with different musicians. And thanks to internet and social media for making it possible. Because many musical organizations are hosting live events on Facebook and Instagram. I would recommend please go and check out these events where they are showcasing art forms of different artists from different parts of the world. I was really lucky to get the chance to perform in 2 of these events in presence of quite a good number of audience online. So these are the things that are keeping me positive, helping me to work hard, keeping my spirits up while I wait for the better days to come. I would like to request all of you to please stay at home. Please follow the government rules and instructions because these are the only ways to fight this pandemic and to get through this difficult time together. Before I play for you, I would like to just say a few words about music therapy. Music therapy is a vast subject. It is evolving very rapidly as a specialized field. Many musicians all over the world are studying and doing research on music therapy, and they are treating not only psychiatric patients but also patients who are suffering from some of the deadliest diseases, one of which is cancer. And music therapy has been quite successful in treating these patients and helping them to overcome. But music in general has a healing effect. When we listen to music, different parts of our nervous system gets activated, and it helps us to stay positive, stay healthy, and also to deal with different odds of life. So I would like to actually like to play a beautiful song which was composed by the great Rabindranath Tagore. In my own way, it will have a little bit of classical essence in it. And I hope my music will bring some joy and peace in your lives. I'm sure many of you know this popular tune. It's called Esho Shamolo Sundaro. I will play it in a bit of a classical approach.